Let's see what's in the truck. Pillow, blankets, pads, sleeping bag, disc golf discs, camp chef, tent, clothes, cooler, bouldering pad, another bouldering pad, honey butter, you know what that's for, axe, our flag to mark our camp spot, fly rod, frisbee, camp chairs, climbing shoes, sandals, trail running shoes, hatchet, fishing stuff, chalk, rope, roasting thing, RC car. Where the firewood goes, where I keep all my spare discs. That's the food drawer for the camp chef. S'mores stuff, utensils, seasonings, snacks, bags, toilet paper, emergency rations.